There are two ways to share the remote control to save in your cell phone with your family. First one is a backup in the local way. Another way is the remote control backup. Now let's come to learn the first way is the remote control backup. Choose the mall here, and then you could choose the remote. Oh no, here you must make sure that you are in the local area network. Here you could see that the top interface of the single app is a green color. The next thing is that you must make sure that you log in your Geeklink account and bought it. And then you need to choose the remote backup here. Sometimes if a remote backup fail, you need to log in again. But now be successful remote backup. So you could use another phone that you want to share the remote control. Here also to enter into the mall and choose the and enter the mall and you need to what you need to do is log in the same Geeklink account. The Geeklink account must be the same from this level here. Loading successfully. Combine and then to bed. Here you could choose remote restore. Yes, successfully. If sometimes it fails, you could try it again in the same way. So you could go back here. Yeah, as you can see, after I shared the remote control saved in my cell phone with this phone, both of the phone have the same interface. Another way is share the remote control by the local area network backup. For example, this phone. I delete all. Yeah. The second way is here. You could choose backup here and confirm. And then you could go to your single backup. Yeah. Go to your SD card and find the single. Here, it is the backup. Choose all and then send. You could choose backup and send another folder by here, by QQ or MSN or the Bluetooth. If you cannot send this type of the file, and then you could copy the file and then to send to this folder by the computer.